Hi gang, we're not having a great day with cars today. Maverick failed miserably if you watched the last video. Now we've got no power in the WPL C24 crawler. I'll show you. There she is, the crawler of crawlers. So we'll switch power on. That is just a screw making that noise. Let's just fill out the back there, it's fine, I know what that is. And we will put no lights, nothing, nothing, nada. Battery's been on charge, it's got full charge. It's connected up okay. It's just the one that came with the truck, which is that one. So we're going to take it apart, see what's cooking. So as you can see, we've took it apart. There's the shell over there. It's easy to come apart. There's 1,000,001 videos on here, YouTube, of how they come apart. So I didn't bother filming that. Right. First thing I can see, I took this wire. This was very loose fitted on there. You never know, might get lucky. Might be a really quick fix. You can also see this isn't water, it's WD-40. Last time I had it out, and I think this has possibly caused the problem, my rookie mistake. I give it a little blast of WD because it got a little bit wet, so I dried it off and give it a little squirt. Let's see if we can sort it out. Obviously you don't want my beard in the way, so let's put this on and just make sure that there's... What I'll do is I get a piece of just kitchen roll, and we'll just try and dab it as much as we can. Obviously that's the receiver wire, that's there, that's fine. There's your lights dangling here. Right, we have a fully charged battery. So let's put you together. That's not the best, that. Let's get you in there. Right, you're fully connected. Let's just pop you down there. Okay. You on. Nothing. No thing. Okay, kill you, and we shall press on. Be back in a bit. Right, so we took the screw out of the top board here. There's your problem. There's your problem, gang. Easy fix. Happy days. All that what? Right, I'll have to show you. Out. So there's that little culprit. Just unscrewed that, and it'd come out of there. So fingers tightly crossed. This is going to be an easy fix. Let's get it put back in. Just give us a minute. And we'll get it. Which way around does it go in? That way around. It is fiddly, to say the least. That's because it's going in the wrong way. That's because I was trying to put it in the wrong way around. Idiot. I'm just going to use the screwdriver just to give it a little, because it's kind of getting fat hands in there. So, moment of truthio. Put the battery back on. Fully charged battery. Controller. Did you hear that? And there, look, we have lights. We have steering. Do we have reverse and back? Reverse. Forward. Hey! Happy days, gang. Happy days. Knock it off. And we'll, you don't want to see my mush all the time, do you, really? So we need to find out why that popped out of there. Is it just because it just wasn't in very tight from the factory, which is possibly it. I wonder if there's a way of keeping it in. Maybe, I don't know. We'll think of something, gang, we'll think of something. Anyway, I'm going to put this little sod back together. Thanks for watching. See you later.